Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, but today we're going to be showing you what comes inside of a BMW car medical first aid kit, whatever. BMW one, the car one. This is from my 5 series. That's the bug you get inside. So I've decided to take it out of my car because it doesn't fit in my car anymore after my friend opened it up and messed it all up. Well, that is another story for another day. So yeah. So this is the bug it comes in. That's your code. So this says it was made in December 2013, or that's the expiry date, I don't know. I can't read the German, so you guys tell me. Okay, so this is what you get inside of it. Quite a lot of stuff. They'll give you some scissors to cut your adhesive with and stuff. They're very stiff though, bloody hell. But then again, they've been in the car for 20 years. Okay. You've got a elastic band, 6 centimeter one, a bigger one here, 8 centimeter, another 6 centimeter, another 8 centimeter. Is that 8 centimeters as well? Yep. Then you have this, which is another band, I think. Oh, first aid dressing. So this is a dressing. This will also be a medical dressing. This will also be a medical dressing. And then here you have a triangular bandage. That's what it looks like. Oh shit, they have a cast. That's mad. That's in the car. That's crazy. These are just your normal plasters. This is some gloves. Very nice. Adhesive tape. This is to stick shit on to your whatever if it's not sticking on. First aid dressing. I don't know what these are. Something sheet. Rescue sheet. Just show what it looks like. Oh, this is for if you break down on stuff, or even a crash or whatever. This will keep you warm or cold or whatever you want, whatever the outside temperature is, you know. It's them things you wear over yourself. First aid dressing again. Another first aid dressing. Another first aid dressing. What in the world? Oh yeah, this is a lot of stuff to fit. This is a lot of first aid one. This is a non-woven swabs. Same again here, same again here. Then another triangular bandage. So you can put 2 people in casts. But yeah, that's a lot of medical care, man. At the roadside anyway, that's really good. It's a decent company, this isn't it? STHLFA brochure. All that thoughts. So this company, they're the ones that supply to BMW. Well, the old ones anyway. But yeah, you can see it's a lot of care for the customer. It's telling you all the brace positions. I just wish it was. Oh no, it is in English as well. That's okay. But yeah, showing you how to do all the CPRs and stuff, defibrillation, all the positions you need to put people in, how to bandage someone, keep pressure on them and stuff. Yeah, it's pretty handy. But yeah, I can't fit that back in my car anymore, because yeah, it is what it is. Actually, do you think I can fit in the bag? I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, might just keep it in the house. But yeah, I went shopping. I got a very good deal on this one. Yeah, good night guys. That's what's inside the BMW, whatever it's called, I forgot. Okay, good night, subscribe. Eid Mubarak.